Oh, hey, how you doing? So I'm doing part C now for this one. So it says find all the times on the interval 0, 5 at which the particle changes direction and justify your answer. So the justification for this is I've already written it here. It says change of direction occurs when the velocity changes sign, and that can only happen at v equals 0. So if we look at our graph again of this one, right? So I've got this guy graphed. There he is, that function. All right. And if I kind of look here, my velocity goes from positive to negative, okay? But this one's out of the domain right here because it says go from 0 to 5. So this one's out of the domain. This one looks to be in the domain, and so does this one here. So I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit, just right here, I guess, just for so we can kind of see. So that's going to be one of our intersections here. And then this is going to be one of those as well. So it changes from negative to positive, meaning it's going backwards. And then here it's going forward. And then here it's going forward. And now it's going backwards. So it changes direction. Okay. Changes direction. How do you find this? You again just do calc. Sorry, actually, what you want to do, you want to know that when the velocity is equal to 0 is where that happens. So in your y equals, also plot the point or the line y equals 0. So I've got two lines here. All right. And so you actually can't see the y equals 0 line because it's actually right here. So now what we're going to do is want to do calc and we're going to want to intersect. Okay. And I'm going to want to intersect. Let's see here. Where is it? Uh, there. First curve. Okay. Yeah. First curve and second curve. And so I kind of want to go here, remember, and then you hit enter, and it'll give you your intersection. So 0.536. So that's one of them. That's where this line intersects there. All right. And then, so I'm going to do the other one again. So it's second uh, calc, and I'm going to do again intersect. And this time I'm going to go all the way over to this one over here. Hopefully it takes a bit of time or it doesn't take too long. There. So again, I'm going to choose my first curve. I'm on it. My second curve is y equals 0. Okay. And then where it tells you to guess because it wants you to kind of get close in case there's multiple intersections. It wants you to get close to the one you want. So that's what I've done. And there's our second intersection, 3.1, or there it is. Okay. And so there's our two intersections, and that's where the particle changes direction.